Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible machine you live in, your own body? Right now, without you realizing it, your heart is pumping, your lungs are breathing, your brain is processing this video, and your stomach might even be digesting your last meal. The human body is a marvel, made up of over 37 trillion cells working together through highly complex systems. In this video, we'll take a complete tour of the human anatomy. From your bones and muscles to your brain and vital organs, you're about to understand your body in a way you never have before. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey from head to toe. Skeletal system. Let's begin with the skeletal system, the rigid framework that holds everything in place. The human body contains 206 bones, ranging in size from the tiny stapes in your ear to the large femur in your thigh. Besides giving your body shape, bones protect internal organs. Your skull guards your brain. Your ribcage shields your heart and lungs. Your spine, made up of 33 vertebrae, supports your entire upper body and allows flexibility and movement. Bones are also living tissues. Inside them is bone marrow, where new blood cells are produced. And yes, bones are stronger than steel by weight. That's how powerful your skeleton truly is. Muscular system. Attached to this skeletal frame are over 600 muscles, each playing a role in movement, posture, and even heat generation. Muscles are classified into 3 types: skeletal muscles, which you consciously control to lift, walk, or smile; smooth muscles, found in places like the digestive tract and blood vessels. They work automatically; and cardiac muscle, found only in the heart, tirelessly beating to keep you alive. Even when you're sitting still, muscles are working. They maintain posture, regulate body temperature, and keep vital functions running. Ever wondered why shivering happens? That's your muscles generating heat when you're cold. Nervous system. Next up, the nervous system, your body's command center. At the top is your brain, made up of around 86 billion neurons, controlling everything from thought and memory to motion and emotion. Signals travel from the brain down the spinal cord, and then through a network of nerves, reaching every inch of your body. These signals travel at speeds up to 268 miles per hour, faster than a Formula 1 race car. Your nervous system helps you react instantly, like pulling your hand back from a hot surface, and processes complex things, like learning a new language or feeling joy. It's your body's internal internet, always connected, always processing. Circulatory system. Let's move on to the circulatory system, which keeps everything flowing. At the center is your heart, a powerful muscle that beats over 100,000 times per day, pumping blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels. This blood carries oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every corner of your body, and collects waste like carbon dioxide to be expelled. The arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart. The veins bring oxygen-poor blood back. And capillaries, those tiny blood vessels, do the actual exchange with cells. This entire system runs automatically, whether you're running a marathon or sleeping peacefully. Respiratory system. Take a deep breath. That's your respiratory system in action. Air enters through the nose or mouth, travels down the trachea, and reaches the lungs. Inside your lungs are millions of tiny sacs called alveoli, where oxygen is absorbed into the blood, and carbon dioxide is removed. Your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle, contracts and relaxes to pull air in and push it out, creating a rhythm you rarely notice, but can't live without. On average, you take around 22,000 breaths a day, and yet it all feels effortless. Digestive System. Now let's explore how your body turns food into fuel. The digestive system. It begins with chewing in the mouth. Saliva breaks down food before it travels down the esophagus into the stomach, where powerful acids and enzymes continue the process. From there, food enters the small intestine, a nearly 20-foot-long organ where most nutrients are absorbed. The liver, pancreas, and gallbladder assist with enzymes and bile to help break down proteins, fats, and carbs. The large intestine absorbs water, and the remaining waste is removed from the body. This whole process takes around 24 to 72 hours, depending on what you eat. Urinary System. Next is the urinary system, your internal water management and filtration network. The kidneys are the star players. Each day, they filter around 50 gallons of blood, removing toxins, excess salts, and water to produce urine. This waste flows through ureters to the bladder, where it's stored before being released through the urethra. It's your body's way of cleaning itself, quietly and efficiently, 24/7. Endocrine System. Ever feel a mood shift, energy burst, or sudden hunger? That's your endocrine system in action. This system is made up of glands that release hormones, chemical messengers that control metabolism, growth, mood, and more. Key players include the pituitary gland in the brain, the thyroid gland in your neck, the adrenal glands above your kidneys, and the pancreas, which regulates blood sugar. Hormones may be invisible, but they influence nearly every aspect of your life, from puberty to sleep to emotional balance. Immune and lymphatic system. Let's talk protection. The immune system is your body's internal army. It defends against viruses, bacteria, and other harmful intruders using white blood cells, antibodies, and specialized proteins. Supporting it is the lymphatic system, which transports lymph, a fluid rich in immune cells, throughout the body. Lymph nodes act as checkpoints, filtering and destroying threats before they can spread. These two systems quietly work behind the scenes to keep you safe, even when you don't notice. Reproductive system. Finally, let's explore the reproductive system, the system responsible for continuing human life. This system includes specialized organs and hormonal functions that work together to create new life. In individuals assigned female at birth, the system supports egg production, fertilization, and pregnancy. In individuals assigned male at birth, it supports the creation and delivery of reproductive cells. It's not just about reproduction. This system also plays a vital role in hormonal health, puberty, and overall development. So there you have it, the complete human anatomy. From your bones to your brain, from your breath to your heartbeat, your body is a stunning masterpiece of design and function. Every system depends on the others. Each one works in harmony to keep you alive, aware, and capable of doing amazing things. Appreciating your body is the first step toward taking better care of it. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the human anatomy, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive from Vital Codes. And remember, your body is your greatest gift. Learn it, respect it, take care of it.